I'm going to show you how to repair a hole in the air bladder of a pontoon boat when the hole is down on the very tip of the air bladder inside here. I keep the pontoons inflated year long on this, and because of that, when I'm carrying it around in my truck, a lot of times the tips will get bent over because it's pushing up on the front of the box. Or if I stand the pontoon boat up on its end when I'm moving it around, the same thing will happen. Well, that causes the air bladder inside to get a wrinkle in there, and you'll get a hole in it. So I'm going to show you how to repair that. That's real quick and real easy. It makes it easier to do if you remove the pontoon from the boat. But the nice thing about this method is you don't need to remove the air bladder from the outer covering. Just hang the pontoon up. That'll make it a lot easier. And then all you need to do is just pour in some tire sealant. Just be sure to put enough in there so that it gets all the way down to the tip. And then we'll reinflate the pontoon. Once you have the pontoon completely reinflated, be sure to hang it or stand it so that the tire sealant has a chance to run all the way down to the tip that had the hole in it. Now, I don't know the minimum amount of time needed, but I always let it just sit overnight, and that always seems to work. And this has worked really well for a couple of years. It even keeps the air in the pontoon when it's stored through the winter.